Today we're going to practice solving a multi-step inequality, graphing it on a number line, and writing the solution in interval notation. To start, let's draw our line, splitting up our two halves. And the first thing we need to do is distribute. If you are using the box system, your -2 goes on the outside of the boxes. Your 1x goes on the top, the -4 next to it, and remember that you are multiplying. -2 times 1x is a -2x. -2 times a -4 is a +8. We take these right out of these boxes and write them down underneath the distribution. If you are not using boxes, make sure you're using your arrows so you don't miss anything. -2 times x is a -2x. -2 times a -4 is a +8. Now, don't forget your 7x here. We haven't used it yet, so I'm going to write it right out in front. And we bring down our less than or equal sign, -2. Next step is to combine our like terms. That 7x and that -2x both have an x with an exponent of 1, so they are alike. 7 minus 2 gives me a 5x. This 8, I don't have anybody that goes with it. We're just going to bring him right down. Less than or equal to -2. Next step is to move things. I'm going to subtract this 8 from both sides. Notice the 8 is a constant. There is no variable with him. The -2 is also a constant. These are also like terms, so I can combine them. Those equal 0, so they cancel out, leaving me with the 5x. Less than or equal to, -2 plus a -8 is a -10. Last step is to divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, so I can cancel those out, leaving me with an x. -10 divided by 5 is a -2. And we think about it. Did I divide by a negative number? I did not, so I don't have to flip that. My final answer is x is less than or equal to -2. Next step, let's get this onto our number line. My solution set starts with a -2, so I'm going to put that here. I'm going to put the opposite on the other side, and I'm going to put my 0 in the middle. I have a -2 as my solution, so I'm going to put my circle right here. It is equal to a -2 or less than, so I can shade this in to show that my -2 is part of my solution set. And I'm looking for all my x values that are less than or equal to -2. L for less than, L for left. I'm going to shade to the left. And there's what that looks like on the number line. Our last step is to put this in interval notation. Coming in from the left, if you notice, this arrow says it doesn't stop. It's headed towards -infinity. This side is negative, this side is my positive infinity. As I'm coming in from the right-hand side, my right boundary stops at -2. Now, the -infinity is a direction, not a number, so he gets a parenthesis. The -2 is included in my answer, so think about putting a great big equal sign around the -2, and then when I hook it up, I have a bracket. And there's the interval notation for my solution set.